We learned earlier this week that the September Apple event, when the firm is likely to announce the iPhone 15 series, might take place on September 13th. That's what a lot of the placards claimed, and it turns out they were absolutely wrong. The event may take place on September 12th instead. This information comes from Mark Gurman, who says in a tweet that indicators are progressively pointing to September 12th. He does, however, state that things can still theoretically change, implying that this is not an absolute certainty. In reality, we won't know for certain until Apple sends out invites to the event, which may be a number of weeks away. The iPhone 15 event date is gradually looking like September 12th, although anything is theoretically possible. Gurman indicated earlier this week in his Power on email that the event would most likely take place on September 12th or 13. Meanwhile, carrier insiders told 9to5Mac that September 13th would be the date on which employees would be asked not to take time off in preparation of a huge smartphone event. In any event, Apple is expected to stick to its usual pattern of pre-order and release dates. That indicates pre-orders will most likely begin on September 15th, a Friday, with the release date set for September 22nd. The September 22nd release date has been confirmed by many sources, including Gurman, who thinks Apple will release the iPhone 15 only in time to report first sales as part of its fourth fiscal quarter. The iPhone 15 series is expected to be the main focus of the September Apple event, with the release of the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, reports claim that the new phones will be joined by the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and the iPad Mini 7. The event likely take place around the same time as the formal release of iOS 17, which recently received its 5th developer beta, iPadOS 17, tvOS 17, and watchOS 10. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.